Everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are focusing on the Nook Ink Quad from the Animal Crossing collaboration with Colourpop. The first and second look are already up with 5 Star Island and the Belle of the Ball. I will link both of those tutorials down below if you're interested in watching those. But today we're going to be focusing on Nook Ink, inspired by Tom Nook and Timmy and Tommy. Literally the cutest little characters. I cannot wait to get into this, so let's get started. I'm debating whether or not to do a halo eye or to just do the normal smoky eye that I've been doing for the past 2 looks. I think I'm leaning more towards the halo eye. So let's start with water landing right here. This gorgeous deep seafoam green. And I'm gonna start by doing little circles right here in my outer corner. I'm gonna be intensifying this little by little so that it doesn't get too messy. To get this dark, I actually dipped into the palette 2 times. So now I'm gonna put this green right here in the inner corner. That is a gorgeous shade. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the other eye. You guys, I'm obsessed with this green. I definitely don't play with green enough. I just don't feel like I've ever found a true green that translates to my eye this intensely. Now with a clean brush, I'm gonna go in with Made in the Shade. Beautiful minty green shade. And I'm gonna go around water landing to get this blended. Look at how beautiful this is blending out. Like, what? Like, this is unreal, right? The pigment of these little eyeshadow palettes. Unreal. And the fact that I'm not getting any fallout, or not as much as I should be. I just can't believe how easy they blend out as well. Like, I don't have to sit here and babysit these eyeshadows. Just gonna deepen up this dark green down here, just like that. Just going back and forth in the outer corner. So before I start working with the metallic and the glitter, I definitely want to do my lower lash line first. But I'm actually going to do it reverse in the way that I did my top lid. So I'm going to take Made in the Shade. Okay, so I'm just going kind of halfway. Now I'm not even gonna bother with a brush, so I'm just gonna go straight into Yes Yes, into the metallic minty shade. And I'm gonna put this right here, right in the center. Wow. This is incredible. I'm taking that brush with no additional product and just sweeping it into this metallic shade. That way they kind of blend in together. And now to put Yes Yes right here at the bottom. So now I'm gonna take CEO. Okay, this is really dry, but I'm just gonna intensify or try to intensify the center right here with this glitter. And just like yesterday, kind of use it as like a brow bone highlight almost, but a little more intense than yesterday. And very carefully, I'm just gonna tap this right here. Oh my god, I just love this glitter. Kind of on top of everything, but obviously you don't want to cover up too much, you know. Since we covered up the metallic shade Yes Yes with the glitter a little bit, I'm actually going to take a very tiny shader brush, go into Yes Yes, and put this shade right here in the inner corner. This is definitely giving me very mermaid vibes. Oh my gosh. This definitely deserves a big lash. My lashes are on and now it's time for blush. Now I just don't know which to go for. Flower Power is a little bit less pigmented than Flower Tender, and I think I just want to do like a little flush of color, not too crazy. For lips, I want to do Peach Surprise. Actually, with this look, I kind of want to try the Billionaire glitter gel. I just don't know where, but maybe I can do it sort of like a highlight, or maybe wrap it around this way for like a cooler look, maybe just to try it, just to see how it looks. Whoa, just to see how it looks on the skin. I wouldn't recommend putting this on your eye, but if you do, just be very, very careful. This is totally gonna give me even more mermaid vibes. If I had a music festival to go to, which I don't think any of us do, this is so pretty. I hope the camera's catching it. I don't think I've ever done anything like this. When I swatched it on camera in my unboxing, you could barely see the sparkle, but it has all shapes and sizes of glitter, and it looks really cool. Yeah, you definitely don't want to get this in your eye, so just be very, very, very careful. It's already getting all over my hair. I'm probably gonna regret that later. And that is it for look number 3. We still have 2 products of the entire collection to play with. I will be going live with the What a Hoot quad on Saturday. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video, and I will see you guys tomorrow.